Hi, I'm Ben Jansen, President of Cimarron Trailers. Today I want to talk to you about the Equalizer Hydraulic Jacks that we use in our trailer. We install a lot of these on the trailers. They're so handy to use and really the most convenient thing, option you can add to a trailer. So normally, these jacks work off the 12-volt battery that's on the trailer. We've got a 12-volt battery in here. It's going to be charged by your tow vehicle when you're going down the road. And very simple, turn the key, push the button to go up, push the button to go down. Very simple, it beats having to hand crank a jack. The question we often get asked is, what happens if your battery's dead? It's a great question because unfortunately that does happen sometimes. So two options really. The first one I would do, if you've got jumper cables with you and you've got a friend nearby with a truck, first thing I would do, open up the battery box, put your jumper cables on the battery in here and then the battery to another vehicle, and then you'll have power restored and that will run your jack up and down. If that's not an option, the great thing about Equalizer is it has a manual override on here, just like a bottle hydraulic jack. So over here on the side, we have this black handle. You put this in the receiver here, and then you can pump this up. And right now, this jack is going up if you needed to unhook your trailer. Now, if you need to lower your trailer, over here on the side is a thumb screw. Pull that out and twist it about 1/4 of a turn. That changes the direction of the valve inside the jack. Then you take the handle, and when it's going down, you have to pump it about 10 times, and it'll drop a little bit. So we'll try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there it lowered about 1/2 inch. We'll do that again. And then it lowered. So a little bit different. On the way down, it's going to take multiple pumps here. On the way up, it's going to go up a little bit with each hand pump of the jack. Again, the great thing about Equalizer, you have this functionality of this jack if you do lose your battery power. Questions beyond that, please contact Cimarron Trailers or Equalizer Jacks.